Hey there, coming at you this week with a little bit around the delacata squash. Now this was a new one to me pretty recently, and it is kind of colorful and it is long, and this is really about as big as they get. This is probably closer to like the average one that you're gonna see in the store. They have two little nubby ends, right? And to prepare these guys, you're just gonna cut off those two ends, just like I've done here, and then slice it in half. Inside, you're gonna see these seeds, just like you will in any winter squash. You just scoop those out like I've done here. And the cool thing about these squash is that the skin is tender. So of all winter squash, it's one of the few that we actually consume the outside of. So once you have the seeds scooped out, you're just going to slice and dice this whole thing, including the skin. We're gonna toss it with a little bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper, lay it out onto a sheet pan with I always like to line with parchment paper, so cleanup is super easy, and pop into an oven at 425 for about 20 minutes or until a fork slides out smooth. So look for these little guys in the fall and in the winter and at your local farmer's market. Happy cooking.